Hello, fellow campers. This is Chris Young from Gander RV and Outdoors. When I think of the word campfire, I just want to whip out the marshmallows, sit outside, and make s'mores. Yep, look at me. Today, I want to go over the Keystone Sprinter Campfire line of fifth wheels and travel trailers. Let's hit up the travel trailers. I'll let you know up front, they are hard to find, but totally worth seeking out. There's a total of 5 Sprinter Campfire travel trailer floor plans, and they range in unloaded weight from a little over 6,700 pounds up to just over 8,300 pounds, and in overall length from 29.5 feet up to 37 feet. Most of them have an outdoor convenience center with a beverage fridge, storage, and TV prep. Of the 5, 2 of them are family-friendly bunkhouses that each sleep up to 9 tired campers. So I'm going to dig into those first. Numero uno is the Campfire 29DB. This bunkhouse has a double-over bunk style setup in the rear. Only the lower bunk is actually a flip-over sofa that can sleep up to 2 people. In the living area, large slide comes out to pull out the booth dinette and a trifold sofa. Across from this sits a good-sized L-shaped kitchen and a large entertainment center that is complete with a 40-inch TV. There are 2 entries, one leading you into the kitchen and living area, another going directly into the bathroom in the rear. Up front, you'll find a roomy bedroom with a walk-around residential queen-size bed centered on the front wall, and a pair of solid sliding doors to provide privacy. The second bunkhouse is the 33BH. This model has a true bunk room with a solid door for privacy. In the bunk room, you'll find a sleeper sofa with a twin bunk overhead sitting in a slide. Across from it sits another bunk and storage. In the living area, there's a slide next to the entry, pulling out the trifold sofa and booth dinette. Across from the slide sits the kitchen with its wide counter plus the HDMI entertainment center. The bathroom is a walk-through with a private entry from the bedroom. The bedroom does have a walk-around residential queen bed and a solid door for privacy. Next up, I'll take you through the solo rear bath model, the 26RB. In the back, you'll find a nice-sized bathroom with a radius shower and a wardrobe closet. In the living area, the Campfire standard slide with its dinette and sofa is across from the kitchen with its wide counter. An entertainment center divides the bedroom from the living area. And up front, there's a walk-around residential queen bed. Next up is the rear kitchen Campfire, the 26RK. The living area slide stays the same, but the rear wall is all kitchen with a full-length pantry, long L-shaped counter, and cooktop, moving up the campsite to the fridge and large entertainment center. There's a walk-through bathroom with private pocket door access from the bedroom. The bedroom does have a walk-around queen bed and a solid door. The final Sprinter Campfire travel trailer floor plan is the unique 29FK. This model places an L-shaped kitchen covering the entire front wall, plus more counter, the range and fridge along the campsite. Sitting next to the fridge is a recliner. The standard sofa dinette slide-out makes up the rest of the front living area. The entertainment center sits on an interior wall, and the bathroom is a walk-through with a private access door to the bedroom. This back bedroom has the walk-around residential queen-size bed on a slide to create a lot of room for a wardrobe closet and dresser. Now, let's move along, shall we, to the Sprinter Campfire fifth wheel floor plans. As with the travel trailers, there are 5 floor plans. In unloaded weight, they are fairly close together as well, running from nearly 8,900 pounds up to almost 10,200 pounds. In overall length, they span from a shade under 32 feet all the way up to 37 feet. Every one of these floor plans has a living area slide out, pulling out a trifold sofa and booth dinette. Of the 5 floor plans, 3 of them are bunkhouse models. However, I will run through the non-bunk ones first. Number 1 in the fifth wheel lineup is the 27FWML. This model is a rear kitchen floor plan. The rear wall is all kitchen with a floor-to-ceiling lighted pantry, long counter, and an angled deep sink as the counter turns the corner to run up the campsite wall with a unique range having a lower drawer with pull-out dog bowls. Next to the fridge sits a large entertainment center that has a 40-inch TV. The slide sits across from the entertainment center. Plus, there's a bench for additional seating. Up front, the bedroom is massive. There's a king bed plus a bed for your pet embedded in a slide out, allowing for plenty of walk-around space. The front cap is filled with a wardrobe closet and washer-dryer prep. The bathroom is equipped with a residential shower. You'll also find the 27 FWML has an outdoor kitchen. Up next, we have the 29 FWRL, a traditional rear living floor plan. The 29 FWRL has its rear wall covering with a trifold sofa and end tables. The living area has opposing slides. Campside, you'll find the sofa dinette slide. Off campside, the slide pulls out the major kitchen appliances, pantry, and entertainment center with the 40-inch TV. In the center is a massive kitchen island with a wide counter and extra large sink. A large pantry sits next to this island. The front bedroom has a walk-around queen slide, a wardrobe linen slide out, and private access to the walk-through bathroom. Now we move on to the Campfire fifth wheel bunkhouse models. All three of them have the same front end. A walk-around residential queen bed sits centered coming out of the front cap. The bedroom has a solid door for privacy, as well as private access to the walk-through bathrooms. The bathroom does have a large radius shower, and first up is the 29 FWBH. The rear end is all bunk room, with a double over double bunk against the rear wall, with the lower bunk having flip-up storage access. The living area has a large slide with the L-shaped kitchen across from it. The kitchen counter is wide. It abuts into the fridge, which sits next to the entertainment center and its 40-inch HD TV. The 29 FWBH also has a bench, coat rack, and pull-out dog bowls. Number 2 of the 3 bunkhouse models is the 31 FWMB. MB stands for mid-bunk, and that's what we have right here. The bunk room has a twin bunk above a hide-a-bed. Inside the room, you'll find a desk and a closet, so it makes a handy-dandy office for your off-site workers as well. This room opens to the main living area, which has opposing slides. One holds the sofa dinette combo, the other pulls out the main kitchen appliances and entertainment center with its 40-inch TV. In between sits a kitchen slide with the extra large sink. The back wall has a massive window. The final Campfire fifth wheel floor plan is the 32 FWBH. The BH could stand for bunkhouse or bath and a half, as the rear bunk room has its own half bath. The bunk room has a twin bunk and sleeper sofa on a slide with another twin bunk above storage on the opposite. In the living area, you'll find the sofa dinette slide out with a 40-inch TV across from the sofa. Opposite, an additional slide out pulls out the fridge, range, pull-out dog bowls, and some prep area. This makes room for a massively wide L-shaped counter with its extra large sink. The 32 FWBH also has an outdoor kitchen. So, now that we've gone through all the Sprinter Campfire floor plans, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the few of the fantastic features that all 10 of the floor plans share. Inside, there's an 80-inch interior height, Bow-floor linoleum with a 7-year warranty, in-floor ducted heat, 15,000 BTU ducted AC, central command center for monitoring everything from tank levels to slide outs, and a slew of more camping conveniences. Now, regarding entertainment, the Keystone Sprinter Campfires have plenty of great standards, including USB ports, HD TV, and soundbar entertainment system. The kitchen is extremely homey. Discover the industry's best features, such as a solid surface countertop, large stainless steel sink, stainless steel appliances, glass top stove cover, and much more. As far as the bedroom and the bathroom, the Sprinter Campfire line is equipped with amenities such as a stainless steel vanity sink, skylight over the tub and/or shower, and much more. The master bedroom includes luxuries such as Shaw high-grade carpet, extremely ample closet storage, and electrical outlets near the bed. On the exterior, you'll find an electric awning with LED light strip among many of the other assets. If you're an experienced RVer or not, the Keystone Sprinter Campfire travel trailers and fifth wheels have the features that you'll want and the comfort that you need. We're sure that you'll be able to find the right Sprinter Campfire floor plan to stoke the fire of your planned camping adventures.